is our drawing sheet and this is our line sheet. Like you will get two kind of sheets in the market, drawing and line separately, or you can have on one side drawing sheet, on the other side we have the line sheet. So it is up to your convenience, whatever you feel right, you can buy it and which is convenient to you. So this is the margins which are already drawn on this. Similarly, we will draw the margin on the drawing sheet like this only. And then this column is for date on both the sheets. And here we have to write the topic of the plan on both the sides. Now first we will take up what we have to do in the drawing sheet, and we have to maintain the uniformity in the file of whole of the class. So on the right hand side of the sheet we will write classification. Suppose we are drawing the diagrams of the wall box, then first we will write division, class, order, family, genus. Classification will be only on the drawing sheet, no classification on the line sheet. And this space is specified for this. We don't have to shift the classification to this side or on the lower side, only on the right hand side. On the top right hand side of the drawing sheet we will do the classification. Then diagram, and here we have to give the title like wall box vegetative colony or wall box colony vegetative structure. Now one thing we have to take care when we are drawing the diagram, we have to label it only on one side. Don't label the diagram like one labeling here, one here, one here, one here. Try to label the diagram on right hand side. If labeling is more, then shift to the left hand side also. But the labeling should be only on one side, not on all the sides of the diagram. This you have to take care. On the line sheet, we will write the topic and then the explanation of the colony, that is external features or morphological characters. Whatever you feel right, you can write on this. Explanation of the diagram should be facing it. It's not that you draw one diagram here, one diagram here, and explanation of one diagram on this sheet and second diagram on the other side of the sheet. That is not acceptable. All the diagrams, all the explanations of the diagram should face the diagram. If you have enough space on both the sides, then draw two diagrams on the drawing sheet and write explanation facing it. If you have more explanation, then first write the explanation and draw the diagram, and then shift to the other side and draw another diagram and write explanation in front of it. So this we have to take care that always the diagram and the explanation are facing each other. It's not that diagram is on one side and explanation is on the other side of the paper. Then you will have to draw or write it again. And we have to maintain the uniformity of this in all the practical files. Another thing, on the drawing sheet we will use only pencil and only black pencil, normal pencil we will use, no colored pencils. Because here we are drawing the diagrams of the botany, not of the fine arts, so we don't have to go into the aesthetic value of the diagram. We will simply draw the correct and neat diagrams. Our diagrams should be accurate and neat. No shading, nothing of that sort is required. Simple, accurate diagrams which should be well labeled, and they should be given title on the below it, and that will suffice our purpose. Similarly, on the line sheet we will use only blue pen. No other color of the pen is required. Headings with the same color, same blue color, underline will be with the same color only. No black, red or any other color is required on the line sheet. So this pattern will be followed all over. Secondly, if we are drawing the wall walks, then we have another diagram, you can say, of the wall walks on the second sheet. Then on the second sheet also we will write the date and the topic. Classification will not be repeated. If the same plant is carried forward in 3 or 4 sheets, then classification is only on the first sheet. Then in continuation we will only write the date and the topic, and then we will start drawing the diagram and writing the explanation. So no need to repeat the classification on every sheet. Right? So this is how we are going to prepare our practical files.